So you mean to say the ammonia to clean the atmosphere, only the fans are working, or to dry the bags?
They are working to push outside the ammonia and to dry the bagging.
So even when the temperature is zero, that time
I
not.
mean, when zero, maybe they stop. They go during the day when we have at least 10 degrees, you know.
Okay. 10 degrees?
Then we will check inside what is the parameter when they start. We will enter in the office and we will check the control unit.
What is the comfort temperature for the bovine, for the cows?
It's usually between -5 and 18 degrees.
More than 18, it heat stress.
Yeah, it heat stress.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, more than 18, it starts the heat stress, exactly.